Want to tag your friends on Instagram but don't know how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to tag someone on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. You can take a picture or select the pictures from your gallery. I am selecting a picture from my gallery. There are two ways to tag someone on Instagram. First way is tap on the AA icon at the top, type @ then the username of your friend. Tap on the profile that will be shown at the bottom. You can edit the text as you like. You can change the font, color, animation, and even add highlights. After you're done, tap on Done at the top right. Another way is tap on the sticker icon right next to text icon. Select Mention. Then type the username of your friend. Then select the profile again like before. Make sure you select the right profile. You can tap on it for more color options and resize the text as you like. After you've posted, the tagged person will be notified about it and can reshare your story. And that is how to tag someone on Instagram Story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.